Hey, what's up my lovely honeycrunchers? It's me Jham, and in today's video, I'll be swatching and reviewing I Want Candy Nail Polish Collection by Essence Cosmetics and Chupa Chups. Okay, so before every swatch, I always apply a peel-off nail mask. Now let's swatch I Want Peach. Now I'm applying the second coat. I Want Peach is a gold glittery shimmer top coat with a peach scent. Next we have is I Want Strawberry. Now I'm applying the second coat. I Want Strawberry has a pretty pink shade with a strawberry scent. Third nail polish that I'm swatching is I Want Cola. Now for the second coat. I Want Cola has a bubblegum blue shade with a cola scent. And the last nail polish that I'm swatching is I Want Watermelon. Now for the second coat. I Want Watermelon has a mint green shade with a watermelon scent. Here are all of my swatches of this collection side by side. Which shade is your favorite? The I Want Candy Nail Polish Collection by Essence and Chupa Chups consists of 4 nail polishes in 5 ml bottles. We have 1 shimmer top coat and 3 creme polishes, and all of them are scented. Once the nail polish is dry on your nails, you can really smell its subtle flavor or scent, and they dry pretty fast. I hope you guys enjoyed today's swatch and review video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!